Welcome to GPL Capital Talks on Tuesday, a weekly podcast, bringing to you an interesting talk related to finance every week. Stay tuned. Hello everyone. GEPL Capital brings to you Talks on Tuesday, a weekly podcast, episode number 40. Our today's topic is 3 advantages of having a dynamic asset allocation by our mutual fund analyst Mr. Tushar Patil. Over to you.
Dear investors, there is a lot of volatility in equity and debt markets due to ongoing COVID-19 pandemic situation. So in tricky markets like this, asset allocation and rebalancing of the portfolio remains key to generate better risk-adjusted returns, which makes dynamic asset allocation or balance advantage funds best fit for investments. During volatile equity markets, with corrections ideally one should invest more in equities, and in rising market scenario one should book profits. But it is easy to say and difficult to implement. And dynamic asset allocation funds implement this strategy with the prescribed criteria. These funds, as the name suggests, manage investment in equity and debt dynamically. Some key benefits of investing in this category are: the schemes in this category aims to provide an opportunity for reasonable returns with relatively low volatility. It provides an opportunity for investors to benefit out of market volatility by investing more in equities when equity market valuations are attractive, and investing more in debt and arbitrage when equity valuations are rich. Thus, it removes the need for investors to time the market. And last but not the least, investment in this category allows you to avail the benefit of equity taxation. The schemes in this category use an in-house valuation model for deciding on asset allocation. Most often, fund managers use price to earning ratio, book to value, interest rates, and medium to long term outlook of the economy and markets while taking a call on the exposure in equity and debt. The investment in this category is suitable for the investors with moderate risk appetite. One can make lump sum investment in dynamic asset allocation funds, and investment horizon should be more than 3 years for this category. Top recommendations in this category are Edelweiss Balance Advantage Fund, ICICI Pru Balance Advantage Fund, and Kotak Balance Advantage Fund. For detailed information about recommended balance advantage funds, please visit our website www.gplcapital.com. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Tushar, for this interesting insight. Stay tuned for our next Tuesday talks, where we will be talking to you about 3 advantages of SWP for regular income. Also use the hashtag AskExpert at GEPL Capital on Twitter and get all your questions answered on the stock market. Thank you.